Good evening to everyone. Nandito naman po tayo upang pagpatuloy natin yung pag-share natin ng ng Bible words from the Holy Bible. Okay? Ito po yung mga salita ng Panginoon na gusto ko po sa inyo ibahagi upang malaman niyo po yung mga rules ni Lord to follow. Okay po? So, parati po ako nakasuot ng Panginoon kasi malamig po sa kwarto namin, nakatodo po ang temperature. Hindi po sanay sa malamig. Okay? Exodus 33. Ito na po tayo. Exodus 33 teaches that God's presence is the greatest blessing His people can have. After Israel sinned by worshiping the golden calf, God told them He would still give them the promised land. But He would not go with them because of their stubbornness. Moses understood that God's presence was more valuable than any earthly blessings. So he pleaded to God to remain with his people. God listened to Moses and promised, "My presence will go with you and I will give you rest." The chapter also reveals Moses' deep desire to know God more intimately and to see His glory. So, yan po nila naman ng ating chapter 33 na ang Panginoon Diyos ang pinakamahalagang bagay sa atin sa mundo na to. Yung mga pera, alahas, bahay, sasakyan, mahalaga po yan dahil ginagamit natin. But the most important is the Spirit of God that with us always. Because we can do nothing without the Spirit of God. Okay? Without the presence of God to us. God's presence is more important than success or possession. Very true. She separates us from God. Sin separates us from God. That was I always telling to my to the children whom always praying with me. If you want that God stay with you forever, avoid sin, avoid commit sin. Wag po tayong gagawa ng kasalanan kung ibig nating manatili sa atin ang ating Panginoon. A true leader intercede for others. Katulad po ni Moses, stood in the gap for Israel praying for God's mercy instead of giving up on the people. Mahalin po niya ang mga kanyang kababayan, Israelites, kaya nananalangin din po siya na manatili ang Panginoon sa kanila. Knowing God is a lifelong pursuit. Even after experiencing many miracles, Moses still prayed. Of course, we should always pray early morning, in the afternoon, in the night, and even when you're sleeping, when you wake up at night, you pray. Always pray. Because the presence of God is the most important. Yan po nasasaad dito sa Exodus 33. To God be the glory. Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa bawat mensahe mo sa aming buhay na nagsisilbing bitamina at mineral ng aming katawan lupa. Gabayan mo kami at ilayo niyo po kami sa anumang kapamakan sa araw-araw ng aming buhay. To God be the glory.